How to make chocolate lollipops. You're gonna need milk chocolate, molds, and stick.
First, use a microwave. Melt the chocolate. Cover the molds. Stir for about 15 minutes. Add the sticks. Fill the molds into again. And mold the lollipops. The lollipop is ready.